Hey y'all probably wondering what I'm up to. Well, my man Corey over here, aka C Note over there, he said, "Hey man, I came all the way, but to you took care of me, but I'm having a little issue." And so I said, "Okay, well, what's the issue?" He described it to me. Another shop looked at it, they wanted to unwire it and rewire it. I said, "No, we're gonna stop that right there on the bud. Tell you what, let me know when you're gonna be home. I'm gonna be here." Hey, my man gave me a 2 weeks advance notice. Met me over there, and look what he picked me up in. Man, something beautiful. I never rode one of those. I just got a chance to touch the carpet, put my hand on the dashboard. I'm feeling good now. We ran around town, met some more people. We networking. And so we're going to solve this problem. It was a new technique I was trying, I believe, that I think was going on here. But I did bring the accessories to make it happen. Amp, speaker, brought my little toolkit. And I think we're going to be able to solve this within the next couple of hours. Then we back on vacation for the next day or so. We're going to see. Stay tuned. You all right, Corey?
Man, I'm 100. Bro.
Okay. Man, y'all, I'm telling you, my man took me around, rolled out the red carpet. We got some food. I'm about to go. He ate me some papados. I'm feeling like, CPT time about to fall out right now, but I'm still going. It's kind of hot and humid out here if y'all ain't used to this Texas weather, but it's hot and wet at the same damn time. I got some shorts, but I ain't switching none of those till tomorrow. We gonna see how that go. So I'm finna get back to work, y'all. Stay tuned. Money's Car Stereo. We out and about.
On you, Rob.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right go to the bar and order what we want. So wherever you want to send me,
I'm following you. I'm new here. I'm with you.
Gentlemen, the host stand has menus and silverware for you, all right?
we're gonna just order something to go.
All right, I got it.
How y'all doing?
Just pick it out
Wow.
and take it with you.
I see that.
Done.
We over here. Autoplex. Now, if you want the big daddy, this is what you need to have.
That's that new 35 your boy was talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the new.
Ooh.
Send that to him.
Yeah, that's some other level. My boss, I used to work for, he had his Denali lifted, and he out in the valley with the Latinos are doing anything. This is stuff, Gil would love this right here.
That's done.
Yeah, that's done.
Yeah. Come over here. You want 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock?
It's done.
Done. We ain't no. Done. Take it a little light. Go too hard. There you go.
There you go. Okay. I've been seeing these.
Got those two.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
the way done. But that's nothing. Look over here.
Okay.
That's the old version.
That's the old version.
This is the new way you want to do it.
Oh, this is the new 21 standard right here. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, this is some other stuff right here. Cause this is a whole kit. Let me see something. Yeah. Oh yeah, this ain't no plastic bolt-on right here.
See, that's not plastic.
Yeah.
That's metal. That's the new stuff, bro.
They giving you all the four-wheel and stuff you want to have up here. Well, this is when you get stuck in the dirt, you put it up on the track. Like yesterday with that we could have used that yesterday with the
I'll roll the button.
yeah, because it got the traction on it. Yeah.
Talking right
Uh-huh.
or something because those purple wheels wasn't on there, so they must have just put those on there.
Uh-huh.
But that's been there for a minute.
Okay.
This one's been here for a minute. That's been there for a minute.
Uh-huh. Okay. That's the Denali HD. Yeah, you don't want a mile, not too wild. They got, yeah. Well, it's the whole.
Mile lift, you go there. You want mile lift, there's your mile lift.
Mm-hmm.
Off-road,
With the Raptor, yeah.
there you go.
Yeah, I see it.
Fast, you want something sweet? Man, they got it. They got all the way from exotics to fast cars to.
Yeah, I see a little. I got some Europeans popping up over here. I see. Okay. Yeah.
So, man, he still won $9 for that. Like,
Mm.
it's a 2016.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, you crazy?
Yeah, it's old. Yeah, this is the new. That's the old.
So, bro, if you're gonna get, and like I said, it was the Z06, the 2016. I said, man, what do you want for it? And man, the car brand new was 106.
Mm-hmm.
The car had like I think 30 or 40,000 miles. Oh, 24,000 miles.
Okay.
And he still wanted right in around 89.
Mm-hmm.
And who's gonna give you 89? Why would
Yeah.
I give you 89 and I can get this?
Yeah.
I can get this.
If you can afford the 89, you can afford
You can
this.
afford that.
Yeah.
I'll order one white off the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't make sense. But
Yeah.
man, that's the way he works.
Yeah.
So then all this other stuff,
Uh-huh.
those tubes, the springs, that's another $5,000. Then you got the other dole up there, that's about $5,000 just for those two parts up there. Oh, you spend money.
Oh, yeah.
And he had about $15,000 just up under there.
Oh, just up right there. Not counting what
Not
the
together,
what the
the
rims on
brakes.
here for. I see you got the Wildwoods on
Oh,
there.
bro, he snapped. Yeah, I don't even know what size piston. Those are bigger than 14, so I don't even know what size that is.
So these are 30-inch rims.
30-inch rims. So I don't know what piston that is.
Uh-huh.
It's way over a 14. So. But the same in the front.
Same in the front, yeah. Yeah.
I don't even know what size that is.
Yeah, that's some other stuff.
That's big boy.
Yeah, that's big boy. Looks real good from the sky, but one day I'm gonna come through here on the ground, see it live in person. Got the flaps on. Going in. Going in. Touchdown. Hey y'all, it's me. I'm back. Fresh off the plane. And we got a customer come pick up a bike. We're gonna deal with that. We're gonna probably start working on this in a few minutes. But or maybe not. Maybe we'll take the evening off and go at it hard again tomorrow. But started Monday, we back 100 miles and running. But I want to give a shout out to my man Corey, man, out there in what was that? Dallas, Texas. Man, if you've been watching during this week's episode, we ran all around, talked to people at car shops, looked at cars. Man, the man rolled out the red carpet for a brother, you know. He like I said before in the beginning of the video, we had a problem with his music. He trailed it all the way here, and so he's had a little issue with some highs going up and down. I pretty much knew what it was, but I came prepared with an amp and speaker if necessary. Within a half hour, it was fixed. After that, it was time to roam. Like I said, we was out there moving and grooving, letting you see what I see. He showed me some spots that he had dealt with, and we had talked and talked and talked. Man, I seen some beautiful stuff out there in Texas. A lot of freeway, a lot of driving out there. But beautiful. I'm looking forward to going back out there again on the ground, you know, coming through a city near you, you know what I'm saying? That's my goals is whenever I show up, I'm going to see it. I'm not just going to stick in one spot, you know, wherever they getting down at. I want to see what they getting down. You know, like get down how people get, where I get, you know, like Method Man said in Belly. You remember how he showed up on them, you know. But yeah, once again, I want to say shout out to my man Corey. Man, real peoples, man, real peoples. And we had a lot of good conversations, you know.